All right, so we're at our rough-in stage in our basement deck remodel that we're doing here in Pleasant Valley. And this morning we're just putting in some insulation. We have to put in some board insulation against the foundation where we have just some low clearances. And then tomorrow we'll get everything else, all the framing, exterior framing insulated just to button that up. And then we were doing some other things like hanging a pocket door in the bathroom. This way it gives us a little more room in that small space. But we have a shower, stand-up shower, and a SaniFlow unit that we put in because the drainage that goes out to the septic system is a little bit higher. So being that all our drains are lower, this SaniFlow just allows us to give us that ability to have bathroom downstairs, a wet bar for a bar area that we're putting in on the back side of the basement. Then we just have a knee wall that goes down the center of the basement. We'll have some nice barn board on there. It's a good separation between the two sides because then they can have a game room on one side, and I know they'll have a sitting area with a TV, and then we have a custom zero clearance fireplace going in on the back end. So that takes us out. It'll be a nice finished space to come out onto the deck, and we're installing a RainEscape system that just creates these troughs between each floor joist. So we're just doing a layout on this Trex RainEscape system to where in the middle of every bay we have this trough that goes in. We put a pitch on it and we'll have tape, caulk between each bay to seal it up. And then we can bring it down to our downspouts that get attached at the end. So it's just checking our lengths, where each downspout will go, lining it up with the girder below, because then we'll have a gutter, just like you see on the house. Takes it down, downspout, and out. So what this does is for the deck, we'll have our Trex Island Mist selection up top. Underneath, we'll have some soffit material that'll cover up what you see as far as this trough, this black trough, when you look up, so it'll be finished. And then we have all our wiring in place for recessed lights, fan, and some other things. And then it just gives it that finished ceiling look. And it'll all be dry when it's raining outside. You have another extension of the patio, just a roof, more or less a roof system now, because it's gonna be watertight. So that's what we're doing. We're just laying it out and we'll start installing it as we get all our pieces, parts and pieces together, and we'll have a nice new Trex system and Trex deck for the summer. So it's, like I said, in the framing stages or the rough stages. We'll start sheetrock next week, and then in succession, painting and putting everything back together. So just wanted to give you a quick view of what we were doing. Thanks for checking in.